Dear students, in this video, we shall read the fourth stanza of the poem An Elementary School Classroom in Islam. The poem has been composed by Stephen Spender. Now let us read the fourth stanza. Unless governor, inspector, visitor, this map becomes their window, and these windows that shut upon their lives like catacombs. Break, oh break, open till they break the town, and show the children to green fields and make their world run azure on gold sands, and let their tongues run naked into books, the white and green leaved open history, the green leaves open, history theirs whose language is the sun. Dear students, in this stanza, the poet Stephen Spender wants to say that the government should take notice of the problems being faced by these kids and make the world map a reality for them. There is a need to break the restrictions which are put on them due to poverty and lack of resources. He wants the governor and the public also to help these kids in achieving their dreams, as this will take them away from fog to azure sky. The poet here wants to say that in this way the kids can be taken away from the darkness of their present to a bright future. He wants these kids to experience the sand and the beauty of the nature, as this will lead to a desire of gaining knowledge. They will then go through the white and the green leaves. Here the white leaves represent the books and the green leaves represent the nature. This will then result in their progress, and they will be able to paint a bright future for themselves. Dear students, now I am going to tell you about the poetic devices that have been used in this poem. First, we shall see the images and symbols that have been used in this poem. Let's see. In the first stanza, gusty waves, rootless weeds, paper seeming boy, twisted bones, and now in the second stanza, sour cream walls, Shakespeare's head, Tyrolese valley, open-handed map. In third stanza, ships and sun, cramped holes, bottle bits on stones, and fourth stanza, gold sands. These are the examples of images and symbols. Now let us see the usage of alliteration. Alliteration is a figure of speech in which consonant sounds are repeated frequently. Now let us see in the first stanza, far, far from gusty waves. F sound has been repeated thrice. In the second stanza, surely Shakespeare. S sound has been repeated. In third stanza, bottle bits. B sound has been repeated. In the first stanza, one thing more, the tall girl. T sound has been repeated. A narrow street sealed in the third stanza, it is. S sound has been repeated. Other than this, T sound has been repeated. Tempting them to steal. T has been repeated. From fog to endless night, F has been repeated. And by bones, B has been repeated. And let their tongues, T has been repeated. Thus, these are the examples of alliteration. Now, let us see the examples of simile. In the first stanza, like rootless waves. Dear students, simile is a figure of speech in which two different things are compared and both have one thing in common. So here the faces of the children have been compared to rootless weeds. In the third stanza, there is the example like bottle bits. Their spectacles have been compared to bottle bits. Like catacombs, their homes have been compared to catacombs, and slums as big as doom, their slum has been compared to doom, that is the hell. Now let us see the example of metaphors. In the first stanza, paper seeming boy. It is an example of metaphor. In the second stanza, sour cream walls, and in the first stanza, rat's eyes, squirrel's game, open-handed map, tree room, future is painted with fog. These are the examples of metaphor. The second stanza, sour cream walls, open-handed map, future is painted with fog, lead sky, cramped holes. And then third stanza, slag heap, where skins peeped through by bones, spectacles of steel. These are the examples of metaphors. In fourth stanza, white and green leaves, let their tongues run naked into books. These are the examples of metaphor. Now the examples of repetition. Far, 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 different places, far, far has been repeated. This is the example of repetition. And break, oh, break, in the fourth stanza, break, oh, break. Break has been repeated. It is the example of repetition. Anaphora, run azure and run naked. This is the example of anaphora. Assonance, E sound has been repeated. Build, flowery, Tyrolese valley. And now illusion, Shakespeare's head and Tyrolese valley. These are the examples of illusion. Thank you, dear students. This poem has been completed now.